Everyone, good day, ma'am. This is course General Chemistry. I am Franz Nicholson Yocaba from CAS 1A. I will discuss you today about matters and properties. Explain the concept of the atom by the Greek philosopher Democritus. Explain the concept of the atom in terms of the Dalton's atomic theory and provide concrete example. Concept of the atom by the Greek philosopher Democritus. Democritus taught that atoms were uniform, hard, solid, incompressible, and unbreakable, and that they traveled endlessly across empty space until coming to a stop. The varied qualities of matter were defined by variations in atomic size and form. Atoms terms of the Dalton's atomic theory. Dalton proposed that the concept of atoms could be used to explain the laws of conservation of mass and definite proportions. He proposed that atoms, which he described as solid, massy, hard, impenetrable, moving particle, are the smallest indivisible units of matter. Example of the atom by the Greek philosopher Democritus. Atoms were thought to be responsible for traits like perception and the human soul in addition to matter in Democritus' philosophy. For instance, brought on by atoms with needle-shaped surfaces. The atoms that make up the soul were thought to be special delicate. Example of the atom in terms of the Dalton's atomic theory. Dalton proposed that compounds are a combination of two or more different sorts of atoms in the third section of his atomic theory. Table sought in one example of such a chemical. Two distinct elements with distinct physical and chemical properties are combined to form table soup. The first is sodium, a metal that is quite reactive. That's all, ma'am. Thank you.